Hi everyone, it's JC here with another video for you. So today I am going to do an unboxing with you from something that I got yesterday from Swarovski. Yes, yesterday I went to the store to pick up something that I had ordered online, and it's something that I'm very excited about. It is a case for my iPhone 17 Pro, and here it is. This is one of the most beautiful cases that I've seen by Swarovski, and I love Swarovski. I have a couple of things from Swarovski that I actually got from a friend of mine because she loves it, and she has so many, and I got some gifts from her, so I love them. Look at the box that comes the iPhone case. This is for the 17 Pro. So we're going to do the unboxing. Oh my god. Oh, everything is so elegant. This is a little, what is this? I think it's a little manual. Oh my god, look at the manual. It is so nice. I mean, so stylish. And then it comes with this little foam here, protecting. Oh my goodness, look at this case. Oh my god, it has this kind of diamond design here, but it is so pretty. Oh, okay, so let's take a look. Look at that. This it's very shiny here, according depending on the way the light hits it. But look at this diamond, this shape here. Oh my god, here is the side. You have like a cutout for the camera button here. Wow. And then here you have the cutout for the speaker and the charger, and on the other side you have the buttons. Inside you have this very soft material with the name Swarovski inside. And now let's put the phone in. So here is my phone, the 17 Pro, and we're going to put it inside. Oh, very easy. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my god. This was not a very cheap case, but of course I only bought it because they sent me an email with I think a 40% discount. So this is why I decided to buy it, because I normally don't buy expensive cases, but when I saw this one, I had to have it. And of course, because this is the first case that I have that doesn't have a cover for the plateau, so I am very careful with my phone. So what I decided to do, I went on Amazon, and although you cannot see it very well, but this plateau is completely covered by a transparent plateau protector that I got on Amazon. So this plateau is transparent, and once you apply it, it does not cover the lens, okay, but it covers the whole aluminum part of the phone, which will protect it from any scratches. Because if you know, I mean, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where they show that this color is very, how can I say, very delicate, so it can scratch very easily. And because I'm very careful with my phone, I don't want it to get scratched, so I decided to put this protector. So I think it really will help, because now it cannot get scratched because it is protected. And now my phone is protected. Look at that. Now, the second thing that I decided to buy for my phone, it's something that I really love having on my phone, also for protection, is a lanyard. Usually I have this kind of lanyards here on the covers, cases, but Amsterdam has a new POP MART. If you love POP MART and you happen to be in Amsterdam, you have to go visit this store, because this store is very big. We still have a small one right in the corner, but it's very tiny. But this brand new Pop Mart store is super big, and they have a lot of beautiful figures. Also, if you like Labubos, they have basically the whole collection of Labubos that you can actually go to the store and already buy them. And I think the Labubos hype is a little bit less now, so you can actually find them easily in the store. But yesterday the store was quite busy. There was a lot of people, but the store is so beautiful. So if you like Pop Mart, you have to come visit the store. And when I went there, I decided to get a lanyard for my phone because they have different ones. And I got this collection, which is, they call it the Twinkle Twinkle. So it is also a surprise box. So you don't know which one you will get. The collection has 6 different lanyards, but the one that you get in the box is a surprise. So we are going to open it right now, and I'm very curious to see which one I got. So here we go. I think it's so nice to have this kind of surprise box because, you know, it's the blind box. And now, again, it comes in this little plastic bag. And so let's see which one I got. I know that all the ones that I saw there, they are so beautiful. They are so pretty. Oh, oh my God. Look at this lanyard. Look at this. This is a, oh my God, it's so cute. Look like a little bear. Look at that. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. Okay, so let me see if I can take this plastic away. Oh, okay. So I took the plastic off. Oh my God, look at that. It is so pretty. I love it. And actually, the quality is so nice. And honestly, it wasn't expensive. So let's try to put this here in my new case. So I have a new case and a new lanyard. So the way we're going to put it is, first we need to attach this little thing here in the case. So it goes like that. Okay, so this is how you do it. And now you put the phone in. Okay, so now you're going to have this little thing here. And you're going to attach this to the lanyard. Let's do it. And there you have it. Look at that. Oh my God, I just love it. So you can hold the phone like that, you see? And it is protected, so if you let the phone fall, it won't fall because it is protected. Look at that. So I have a new case, a Swarovski case with this beautiful shiny back and a fabulous Pop Mart Lanyard. Look at that. Oh my God. Is this pretty or not? Now, the one thing I have to tell you is that the case actually works with wireless charging, but it does not have MagSafe. So it will not attach to a wireless charge because it does not have the magnetic here on the case. But if you lie it on top of the charger, it will still charge, as you can see here. I have this charger here from Anker. So usually I put the phone like this on top, and then usually if I have a case like this one, it will attach to the magnet, but this one does not attach because it does not have the MagSafe. But I still can charge it wirelessly because it works perfectly. So yeah, that's it. So this was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye. Oh, look at me. Hello.